Hey there, this is ChangeNOW and welcome to our newest feature and the first NOW token use case, NOW Token Asset Listing Fundraiser. With this feature, you can support your favorite project with NOW tokens. Here's how it works. Open the NOW Token Listing Fundraiser page and scroll down. You will see the 6 tokens put up for donations. By the way, we have a special price offer of 7,500 NOW for now. As soon as the token gets 7,500 NOW donated for it, it will be listed on ChangeNOW within a week. These are the tokens prepared for the opening fundraiser session with their respective ERC20 addresses attached. Pick the token you'd like to support. All you have to do is send NOW to the address displayed in its tile. Click the copy icon to copy the ERC20 Ethereum address you're going to send NOW to. Then, send the amount of NOW you'd like to donate to the address you just copied. We used Guarded Wallet's Chrome extension for the purpose of this guide. Wait for the transaction to confirm, and voila! Watch the slider in the progress bar move towards the goal. Congratulations! You've just supported your favorite token on ChangeNOW. Don't forget to share your support on Twitter and Facebook by clicking the Twitter and Facebook icons under the progress bar. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.